As a seasoned project management professional, I understand that choosing the right tools for your team is a critical decision. One platform that consistently appears on the radar for its versatility and power is Smartsheet. However, before diving in and implementing it across your projects, a fundamental question arises. What does Smartsheet cost? This video will break down the pricing structure of Smartsheet in a clear and easy-to-understand manner, avoiding jargon and focusing on what truly matters for you and your team. Whether you're a small startup exploring project management software for the first time or a large enterprise evaluating Smartsheet for scalability, this article will equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. The foundation: understanding Smartsheet's pricing model. Smartsheet operates on a subscription-based model. This means you pay a recurring fee, typically monthly or annually, to access the platform and its features. Unlike some software with complex, tiered feature sets within each plan, Smartsheet's core pricing revolves around two primary factors: the number of users and the plan you choose. Think of it like a mobile phone plan. You select a base plan that offers a certain set of features, and then the cost increases based on how many lines, users you need on that plan. Diving into the plans, what Smartsheet offers. Smartsheet offers a range of plans designed to cater to different needs and team sizes. As of my last knowledge update in late 2023, the main plans typically include Individual Plan. This plan is designed for a single user who needs a powerful tool to manage their own tasks and projects. It often includes core Smartsheet functionalities like grid views, task lists, and basic automation. Team Plan. This is the most popular plan and is tailored for small to medium-sized teams that need to collaborate on projects. It unlocks features like shared sheets, reports, dashboards, and more advanced collaboration tools. Business Plan. This plan is built for larger organizations and offers enhanced features for administration, security, and scalability. It often includes user management controls, activity logs, and integration capabilities with other enterprise-level applications. Enterprise Plan. This is a customizable solution designed for organizations with complex needs and a large number of users. It offers advanced security features, dedicated support, and tailored solutions to meet specific organizational requirements. It's crucial to note that Smartsheet's plan names and specific features within each plan might have been updated since my last knowledge update. Therefore, the most accurate and up-to-date information will always be available on the official Smartsheet pricing page. Key cost components beyond the base plan. While the plan and the number of users are the primary cost drivers, there are other factors that can influence the overall expense of using Smartsheet. Number of users. As mentioned earlier, the more team members who need access to Smartsheet, the higher the cost. Smartsheet typically prices per user per month or per year. Plan features. Each plan comes with a specific set of features. Upgrading to a higher tier plan unlocks more advanced functionalities, which naturally comes with a higher price tag. Carefully assess which features are essential for your team's workflow to avoid paying for functionalities you won't use. Add-ons and integrations. Smartsheet offers various add-ons and integrations that can extend its capabilities. These might include features like resource management, advanced reporting, or connectors to other business applications. These add-ons often come with an additional cost. Contract length. Smartsheet often offers discounts for annual subscriptions compared to monthly subscriptions. If you are committed to using the platform long-term, opting for an annual plan can lead to cost savings. Support and training. While basic support is usually included in the subscription cost, premium support packages or dedicated training sessions might incur additional fees. Consider your team's technical proficiency and whether you might require extra support during implementation and ongoing use. Understanding the nuances. Important considerations. When evaluating Smartsheet's cost, it's essential to go beyond just the sticker price and consider the value it brings to your organization. Here are some crucial aspects to think about. Return on investment, ROI. Consider how Smartsheet can improve your team's efficiency, reduce errors, streamline workflows, and ultimately save you time and money in the long run. The cost of the software should be weighed against these potential benefits. For example, if Smartsheet helps you deliver projects on time and within budget more consistently, the subscription cost might be easily justified. Scalability. Think about your future needs. Will the plan you choose today accommodate your team's growth? Smartsheet's tiered plans offer scalability, allowing you to upgrade as your organization expands. Collaboration needs. How many people need to collaborate on projects? Smartsheet's strength lies in its collaborative features. If you have a large team that needs to work together seamlessly, a plan that supports multiple users is essential. Feature requirements. Carefully analyze the features offered in each plan and determine which ones are critical for your project management processes. Don't overpay for features you won't utilize. For instance, if you primarily need task tracking and basic reporting, the team plan might suffice. However, if you require advanced automation and integration with other business systems, the business or enterprise plan might be necessary. Comparison with alternatives. It's always wise to compare Smartsheet's pricing and features with other project management software available in the market. This will help you determine if Smartsheet offers the best value for your specific needs. Some popular alternatives include Asana, Monday.com, and Microsoft Project. Each platform has its own pricing structure and feature set, so a thorough comparison is recommended.